Hi class, today I'm going to be doing, I don't know what it is, but it's a cool fidget tool to help you listen and learn. So, the stuff you need for it is very simple. You probably have it all laying around your house and it will only waste the piece of paper. So, you need some scissors. I'm using kid ones, but I can use adult ones. I just couldn't find them. It says guys on it. And then some tape. I'm using Scotch tape because, I don't know. I have a pencil, and this one changes colors. I need a pencil. A ruler, which is kind of optional. If you can draw straight lines pretty good, then you don't need a ruler. But I can't, so I'm using a ruler. And then you just need a piece of paper. Don't use cardstock because it's kind of, I don't know, not that good. So, yeah, the first thing you're going to do is take your ruler and light it up with the edge of your paper. Just like that, like kind of it's like a book, maybe that's what you'd say. And then you're just going to draw a line, make sure it's straight. And then you just hold it in place and draw a line, and then you go just like that, as thick as this, which I drew it as thick as it is, and then you go on it. You go on that line again, and you're going to do this 4 times. 4 times. You need 4 of them. So I got 4. And now you're going to just cut the strips out. So I'll be it when they're all done. So you might have, so I cut out all of my 4 strips. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you put them together, it looks kind of pretty. Ooh. So then you might have some paper left over, and that you have to have some paper left over. You aren't going to need it, but like, I've tried it bigger, it doesn't work, so you will have some left over. And then you're all done with your ruler, so you can put that back if you want. And then you're going to take 2 of the long strips, take a piece of tape that's kind of a little long, but not really, and then curl it up. If you don't know how to, you go down and stick it, and then down and stick it. And then you put it on the end of one of your strips, just like that. You can't put it there. And then you make it kind of like you're making a picture frame, which this is also another way to make a picture frame. But now you're just going to fold this paper right here over where the line is. And then you fold this one over. And then you fold this one over, and keep doing that pattern until you run out of paper, but you still have a little left on each side. So this is what it should look like after. It doesn't have to be this tall. So it should actually have 1, 2, well, it doesn't really matter. But it should look like this, and then there's like extra, and it should be sloppy. Like I tried it. It cannot not be sloppy. So then you're going to take another piece of tape and curl it up and down. And then you're going to stick it on one of the ends and take it and put it on, and then do it on the other end too. And then keep doing that up-down pattern just like this. Go like that, and you should fold the excess paper and just keep doing that until you don't have any paper left. Like last time you had a little, so no. And then it should look like this. Then you fold it around and tape that part, and you've got a cool little fidget thing. Bye! Thanks for doing it with me. I hope you love playing with your fidget.